Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the product that I would buy first if I would lose all my makeup. They are just great products overall, so of course this is just a fun idea. I filmed this in previous years and I just love the idea. For primer, this is just my absolute favorite one. The Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum. It is great from the drugstore, very affordable. It will make your skin glow, be hydrated, but at the same time it's not, I don't know, greasy or something like that. It's just the best one. I don't have anything in the foundation category, and that is because I just don't have my absolute favorite foundation. I did test great foundations in the past. If I would lose everything, all my makeup, I would just buy a concealer. This is the NYX Bear With Me, and in my opinion this is the best concealer to use all over the face, as a concealer and foundation 2 in 1. I could mix this one with a cream, primer, serum, anything like that and create like a skin tint. I could just apply a small amount all over the face for a bit more coverage. I could just spot conceal with it. It is just great as a foundation and concealer as well. And if I am doing this one and then my favorite powder, which is still the Huda Beauty, this is the most expensive product in here, but it's just worth it. It is the best powder and you get a pretty good quantity. If I'm doing the NYX concealer and this one on top, bulletproof. It is my favorite combo to bring in vacation or stuff like that because it is very fast, easy to apply, but it is wearing for a very long time. And at the same time, I'm always bringing this one in vacation with me. It is a Revolution Cream Bronzer. I have the shade Light in here. It is just very easy to apply. I just apply this one with the sponge. After I'm done with the concealer, I'm applying this one, and then the Huda powder on top sets everything into place. Nothing is moving, everything is lasting for the whole day, and this is very easy to blend, very creamy, but not smeary, not too pigmented. It's just a great product overall. And after I'm sitting with the powder and everything, I will then apply a blush. And I decided to pick this one because it is a mini, so it is a bit more affordable, but you get a good quantity of product, and a blush it is very hard to finish. So I decided to pick the Benefit Shellie. This is one of my favorite, if not my favorite, formula of blush. So because of that I decided to pick this one, even though it is a bit more expensive than a drugstore one. But in general I just prefer high-end blushes, so because of that I decided to pick this one. It is just a great formula. It is pretty shiny and glowy, but it's not emphasizing texture. It looks just great and it is very easy to apply. It's not too pigmented, but it is pigmented enough, so I'm sure that this will look really good on multiple skin tones. So I really like this one. And for a highlighter I decided on this one. This is the BH Cosmetics Sun Flex Powder Highlighter. Even though the packaging is absolutely horrible, I decided to pick this one because it is affordable and I absolutely love it. It is a great formula overall, so I think it would be a great first highlighter. For the brow products, I have just the two ones that I always recommend, that are always my favorites, and it is the NYX Powder Pencil and the Too Faced Brow Gel. This is just my perfect combo, and I've been testing a lot of brow products in the last 3-4 years, and these ones are still my favorites. Even today I used the Maybelline one that I really like, but today it doesn't look good. So I just can't trust one brow gel more than the Too Faced one. This one I know for a fact that will always look great. So yeah, I'm not gonna, I need to stop, absolutely stop buying something new for the brows. Let's talk about some eye products. I think last time I recommended the e.l.f. No Budge Stick. That is still a great recommendation, but this time around I decided to recommend a combo of products that I really like for a very easy eye look, and it is the Maybelline Tattoo 24-Hour Eye Stick. I have the color I Am Inspired, and this is so beautiful. It is the most flattering, beautiful pinky eye look, and together with this one is just a full beautiful eye look. This is the Melkior Vintage Rose. It is a single, a very light shade. It is almost white. This one in the inner corner with this one all over the lid and the mascara on top is so beautiful. I really love that combo. So for a pinky look, I would pick this one, and for something a bit more warm on the neutrally side, I would pick this one. This is the Wet n Wild color icon in the Call Me Sunshine palette. This is just very affordable and so good quality, and you can create multiple eye looks. So I think with only these 3 products, I would be able to create a really good number of looks. So that is what I recommend for just starting out. If you don't know what eyeshadows to pick, these are the best. And even if you have a decently large collection of eyeshadows, these are still great products. And for mascara, I have 2 to recommend, depending on your preferences. In my case, I think I would purchase both because they are, again, very affordable, and they are giving me a lot of versatility. This is the Essence Lash Princess, the curl and volume one with the pink accents. This is a black mascara and I'm wearing it today. It is a bit more dramatic. And then I have the Lash Without Limits in the brown. I really love this one. It is just a great product overall, and I could use this one with the pinky eye stick from Maybelline. Beautiful, stunning look. For the lips, I have 3 products to recommend. First of all, I would buy this color exactly from NYX. This is the Line Loud formula in the shade No Equivalent. This is my perfect nude color. I really like it, so I would recommend this one, and this shade in particular for me is just stunning. And then for a lipstick, I would pick this one again from the drugstore. It is the Revlon Super Lustrous in the shade Smoky Rose. The shade as well is very flattering. It is like a nude smoky rose. It's stunning and it looks great. It is like a shiny lipstick, but beautiful, and it fills out the lips, but at the same time it's not sticky, and I really like it. And then for a gloss, I would pick this one. It is the Maybelline Lifter Plump. I have in here the shade Hot Honey is the name of the shade. It is like a shimmery gloss, but the shimmers are very beautiful and small because I really don't like a shimmery gloss. But this is plumping as well, so it will make your lips look bigger, but it's not very uncomfortable, and it looks great. It is from the drugstore. I really like it. Okay, so this was everything. A pretty good number of products, but I feel like if I would lose all my makeup, this will be enough to create multiple looks, so I wouldn't get bored and I will have enough makeup for a pretty good amount of time. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.